What's up, everybody? Another unboxing video. You guys are so generous to me, so nice to me. I can't believe all the stuff that y'all send me. A lot of it's really useful. A lot of it I use all the time. Thank you. It really means a lot to me, and it's kind of nice that I get to share the unboxing with you guys. So we got a big one today, so might as well get right to it. Looks like we got some shirts. Unknown who this is from. This is gonna be awesome. I can already tell what that is. I always try and find who it's from. There's no way to tell who this is from, but if you sent this to me, please let me know. This is so cool. This is my favorite wrestler of all time. For sure, my favorite wrestler. He had the very, very best entrances into the ring. There's nobody did it like this guy. Ultimate warrior, best entrances in the sport of professional wrestling. Thank you so much to whoever sent this to me. I'm gonna embody this guy in my next training session, which is pretty soon. After this is done, I'll eat a bit more and I'll lift up a couple more feathers. Get ready to fight a tank. That's what I do, guys. I train with feathers, just so you know. Hopefully it says who this is from on the inside. Oh, nice. I love these things. Okay, a gyro ball thing is great for pump and endurance work for the entire forearm. He's the guy who sent me the finger extension ones. I've been using those. Yeah. Daniel Scarcella. Thanks again, buddy. Hey, your presents have been incredible for me. I have absolutely been using them. So we got a wrist ball. These are great. I used to train with these quite a lot. Nice little wrist stability tool. I always starting them is the hardest part. Hopefully this one has a string or something. Oh, it's a nice one too. All right, let's see. Normally they have a little pull cord. Okay. Wrist ball. Normally there's like a string. Thumb on the ball. Opening instruction. Wrist ball start. The wrist force ball in the direction of the arrow. Push it forward. Left and right thumb alternately pushed to the end so that the ball wound up. Okay. Wound up. Oh, look at that. It's got an auto start. So this one's got a spring. That's great. Okay. I'm going to have to wind it more. Okay, this is going to work. I don't know how far I'm supposed to wind it. String must be wound in place. Okay, I don't know how far. Okay, that's probably it. Here we go. Oh yeah. There we go. this is a great tool. But I'll play with it later. Hey, thanks so much, Daniel. Those things are great. Okay, from Matthew Leponce, Alexandria, not too far away. See what we got here. Ah, that's some of Juji's stuff. Hi Devon, I've been a fan since 2018 and I've been following your journey since then. You're a big influence on me and I love your beliefs on life and your way of living life to its fullest. Your passion for the sport of arm wrestling is contagious and hopefully more people understand what you're trying to do when it comes to making the best rule set that would appeal to the masses and make it very exciting for a viewer to enjoy. Anyway, it's always a work in progress, guys. Anyway, hopefully I'll get to pull with you in Ottawa and test my frame. Yes, please, come train with us. Anybody who's in the Ottawa area, we're not too hard to find, guys. Always looking for people. Here's a silly gift for you to try. You probably don't need this to help you arm wrestle, but it'll probably make good content. Looking forward to seeing Superman versus the Hulk in June. Thanks for your service, Devon, and happy birthday. Stay massive. Thanks, Matthew. I know exactly what this is. It's so strong. I'm not going to smell. Oh my God, it's not even open and I can smell it. Oh my God. Jeez, this stuff is very strong. It's supposed to give you superpower that you can't believe. Like, I've used it before, like you do like 1RMs or whatever. It's from Juji, so it's the best. Like, that is the best smelling salts out there, this stuff. Thanks, Matthew. Come and train with us, dude. If you're not far away, come and train with us. What do we got? What do we got? Nice. Nice. Doesn't say who it's from. But these are pretty cool. Play bling. I wish it would say, I wish I could find out who it's all from. Sometimes it doesn't say anything. Oh, that kind of matches, doesn't it? This is totally Ultimate Warrior. This all works together, doesn't it? Okay, I'll wear them just for a bit. Okay, this is from Brian Hipple. Something's going on here. Okay. Wants me to sign something. Send it back to him. No problem, buddy. I will do that. I will do that. Let's see. Nothing on the outside. When it comes from Amazon, there's nothing really on the outside. Sometimes, like this, it says something sometimes, but not this time. It's just got the description of what it is. We have here a game of Tic-Tac-Toe. Well, how cool is this? Let's see how this works. It's just kind of my speed. Kind of some Tic-Tac-Toe, simple stuff. Let's see how this works. Keeps me from using paper, I guess. So either one can start first. Beautiful. Beautiful. I will solve the mystery of Tic-Tac-Toe. Hey, thanks so much. That's a great thing to have around the house. That'll, I'll have games with Habry until she can crush me. Thank you so much, whoever you are. All right, this one is from Unknown in Oak Park. Looks like that's either Illinois or Florida. I can't really tell. Either way, they've said Unknown Inc. Oh, nice. Nice. All right, let's see what we got here. Fan from the USA, Chicago, Illinois. Okay. Hey there, Mr. Larratt. I hope you find yourself well. I am writing to you as an observer of the success you have had in the world of arm wrestling. You are a very inspirational individual, not only for your success as a world champion, but for the great mindset that you have when it comes to being a fighter and a winner. Never backing down from a challenge, even when it seems the odds are stacked against you. I have no doubt you will be in top form in your upcoming match against Levon Saginashvili, and we are rooting for you. I was just wondering if you have ever considered writing a book on your journey as world champion. What it takes to be a winner, how to handle success and failure, the mindset needed when you're fighting another opponent, how you began your path into the world of arm wrestling, your early life and your stint as a member of the Canadian Armed Forces, the life lessons you have learned over the years, and how you have overcome adversity. The most fascinating thing about you besides your physical prowess is your mental strength, endurance, courage, ruthlessness, tenacity in battle. Ruthlessness and tenacity in battle. A true warrior. I have no doubt that if you were to write a book or an autobiography, it would be a bestseller. I end this letter by wishing you great success against your opponent in your upcoming battle. P.S. I don't know if you are a fan of Arnold Schwarzenegger. Of course I am. Of course I am. But I thought you might like the sunglasses I sent you. These are the same style used in the movie The Terminator. Actually, my favorite movie of all time. And they are vintage and no longer available. Wow. So cool. I don't know if I'll ever write a book. I'm really bad at sitting down and writing. Really bad at it. Something I don't really enjoy. But I do like to share stories and stuff like that on things like YouTube, which is why we're having this discussion probably in the first place. And I'm sure I'll continue to do that. And I'm sure that as I, get older and, have more opportunity to reflect, I'll be able to share some stuff that might help people from back when I was in the military, or just stuff along the way, and just continue to share my training with everybody who's interested. So I don't know if it'll ever take form of a book, but who knows? Who knows? And I think I'm gonna have to do a glasses swap now. Gargoyles. Okay. Well, wow. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, yeah. These were fun. Time to upgrade to the gargoyle temporarily. Okay. Hasta la vista, baby. Yeah. Oh, these are beautiful. What a nice, I've never really been one to wear sunglasses, but I can't even tell I have these on my head right now. They're so comfortable. And, hey, Terminator is for real. For real, it is my favorite movie. Like, I remember when it came out, I was so convinced that this was the future for all of us. Like, for sure. Like, Skynet and, you know, all of it. I was like, okay, it's only a matter of time before the robots come and kill us. Thank you so much. Very cool. Very cool. Okay, next one. Amazon. Amazon. And I'll tell you, it is hot now here in Canada. It is now like, geez, it's like 30 degrees Celsius. We're breaking heat records up here in Canada right now. It's smoking hot. It's good. Get me acclimatized for Dubai. Oh, what do we got? What do we got? A gift for you. Stamina is the key. Let's go, Devon, from Ryan. Stamina is the key. It's true, you know. Like, people talk about arm wrestling and how it is a strength sport, a combat sport. Absolutely it is. 100%. But you cannot undervalue recovery, stamina, you know, durability in the mixture of your training and preparation for a fight, you know, in super match format. You know, you got you have to look at the amount of work that you do, the amount of rest you have, and you start to realize that, yeah, it's a strength sport, but a lot of stamina involved in the sport of arm wrestling. If it's close, if one guy's just too strong, like, for example, like in the case of Levon and I, like, I might just be way too strong. So, you know, he might not get a chance to use that endurance of his. We'll find out. What do we got? Nicely packed. Nicely packed. It's a nice bag. So it's got something to do with stamina. I like to read cards before. Stamina is key. Right. Stamina is key. Stamina is key. Knowing how to open these bags is key too. What do we got? Expands and restores lung capacity. Wow. This is cool. Power Breathe X. Breathing resistance trainer. I have never heard of this before. Because I'll tell you, as I've gotten bigger, which I have, I definitely do notice that I get out of breath more than I used to when I was serving and, you know, having to do a little bit of cardio, and I'm stronger. But how does this work? How to use? Start by removing the mouthpiece cover from the mouth. Oh, that's hard. Okay. Oh, this is pretty cool. So it's got an adjustable thing. You like that, Loki? This is great. I should bring this to practice and pass it around. I think everybody's probably got the same stuff there anyway, so no big deal. But yeah, so this will just train your lungs by making it, giving your diaphragm resistance. You get a massive diaphragm. This is super cool. What an interesting idea. Even comes with There's a nose plug and earplugs in case it gets too loud. I have so much fun with this. So I can plug my nose, plug my ears, make it hard to breathe. Oh, what a perfect gift. And that's a ton of fun. That's a ton of fun. And by the time I face Levon, my diaphragm will be like 4 sizes bigger than it is now. Very, very cool. Thanks so much, Ryan. Thank you so much. That's a very thoughtful gift for getting me in tip-top shape for my next big fight. All right, what do we got here? Okay, this is from Lawrence Chalmers in the United Kingdom. Lawrence Chalmers. Lawrence Chalmers. What do we got? Oh, lots of stuff. We got a lot of stuff here. Looks like we got a full line. Wow. Oh, this is going to be interesting. Okay, what do we got? No limit. Wow. No limit. No limit roof. In the stars like that. That's super cool, man. Very cool t-shirt. Very, very cool. Let me see. So what's that? What was that? That was Lawrence. Lawrence Chalmers. That's cool. That's cool. All right, there's one. So I'm seeing a bunch here. This one next. It's okay to quit. That's great. That is great. That's great. And it's got the Not Today's Son, the Dad move. That's a hilarious t-shirt. It's okay to quit. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, there's a note that came with it. I didn't see this. Okay, let me read the note before I go further. Hi, Devon. I can't remember how it happened, but I came across you on YouTube for the first time a few weeks ago. I think it was a Devon Larratt Best Trash Talk compilation, and I immediately thought you were awesome. Thank you. So I went down a rabbit hole and ended up watching hours of your arm wrestling. I'd never properly watched a pro arm wrestling match before this, but now I'm hooked. I particularly find it fascinating how a pro can destroy a guy 2 times bigger than them through their technique and experience. You seem a cool dude and a superhero-like arm wrestler, so I was inspired to make you a couple of t-shirt designs for you. I got a 3XL, good choice, as I know you're getting totally massive at the moment. It's awesome. All I ask is that when Will Ferrell makes a Blades of Glory type sports film comedy about arm wrestling based on you, I am involved in some way. Okay. I don't think that'll likely happen, but if he does, you've got your wish, okay? We'll figure it out. Can't wait to watch you at King of Table 4, June 25th. I'll be sitting here tuning in from London. Your newest fan, Lawrence. P.S. I might make a 400-pound pussy design at some point. LawrenceChalmers@gmail.com. Hey, Lawrence, so cool, buddy. I'm glad you found us. I'm glad you found the sport, and I appreciate these super cool shirts. Let's see what the last one is. Yes. Super classy. Super classy. It's always important to show that you're a fine member of society. Whenever drinking any kind of a bottle, you have to lift that pinky finger as seen here in this diagram. That's how you know that you're not just, part of the riffraff of society and, show that you're distinguished. You gotta lift your classy finger whenever you're having a drink. That's so great. These shirts are really funny. This one might be my favorite. It's okay to quit. That's what a great slogan. What a great slogan. It is okay to quit. And I'm gonna start sweating like crazy because I got 3 t-shirts on, and and it's 30 degrees. It's okay to quit. It's so funny. It's so funny. Oh, good stuff. Good stuff, Lawrence. Okay. All these t-shirts, oh my god. I don't think I'm going to be able to put this one on. I'm just telling you right now. This one, no matter how good it is, it's probably not covering this one up, but I'll appreciate it. Okay, who we got? It's from Amazon. With, I don't know who from. And it's a Disney shirt. I'm kind of a big deal. Hey, he's got the arm wrestling pose down. Pretty good. Head back, arms forward. It's good. Very good. I didn't know Disney made shirts like this. Disney has a lot of funny stuff tucked away in a lot of their videos. I didn't know that Disney thought arm wrestling was cool. What is that dude's name? I forget. Hey, thank you so much. Okay. We have another one from Amazon. I hope that this one has something in that lets me know who it's from. Always like to know. Okay, unwrap your present before opening this. Okay, all right. Oh, it's from Ryan again. Let's go, Devon. We love you. From your huge followers in Brownsville, Texas. From Ryan. All right. So, Ryan, you've already got me the super breather. Let's see what we got now. These are really nice bags. What have we? A massager for the relief of pain and stress for the forearms, wrists, and hands. Oh, wow. Okay. Aurolio. Let's see how this thing works a bit. It's like Christmas, I swear. It's like Christmas nonstop around here. You guys totally spoil me. All right. Got little suction cups there I can put in. Oh, yeah. Well, that's tight, actually. Oh, that is tight. Let's try the left, because my right is actually pretty sore right now. Oh. I'm going to have to go slow. It's actually got some pretty good pressure to it. And looks like I can adjust the spring for tightness, pressure. Yeah, I can make it tighter and looser. My right forearm is significantly thicker, significantly. That's really cool. I'll probably stick that somewhere and just every time I go by. Awesome. Thanks again, Ryan. He's taking such good care of me. Hey, you guys are so generous. It's amazing. Very touched. We love you from your huge followers in Brownsville, Texas, Ryan. Okay. All right. Shirts. Printify Company. Printify. Okay, let's see what kind of design has been come up with here. There we go. Somebody did it. Okay, well, has to happen, right? Has to happen. Oh, he's gonna kill me. He might actually try and kill me. I don't know. We'll find out. I definitely am gonna give him plenty of reasons to kill me. What do you think? Should I wear this to the press conference? Or just wear it on the airplane when I show up? It's a beautiful shot. Beautiful picture. But I don't know who gave it to me. I guess that's probably smart. I guess it's probably a good idea to hide your true identity. But PM me on Instagram or something. Let me know if it was you. I appreciate these things. I feel like I have to wear these gargoyles now. Okay. This one is from Insight. Oh, okay. I know who these guys are. Yeah, I met these guys out in when I was in Alberta. These guys are, I'm pretty sure these guys are gunsmiths. He's an arm wrestler. I met him in Edmonton, and Edmonton was a bit of a disaster for me. I ended up leaving a lot of my stuff in a pile. I think that Matt got it and sending it me out, but it's just gonna take a bit. These are gonna be cool though. Very nice. Yeah, Insight Arms. Nice hoodie. Lots of shirts. Man, these shirts for the whole family. The shirts for the whole family here. Insight Arms. Check out the back. Sniper. Nice. Love it. Want to look like a tough guy. When I go out, I'll wear this stuff. Very cool. Nice feel to it. Nice stuff. Insight. When I go shooting, maybe I'll wear some nice Insight Arm stuff. Like it. Oh yeah, different sizes. Okay, so you've now outfitted my entire family with clothes. Yeah, okay, we got tons of sizes here. We got lady sizes, Insight Arms. Awesome. I'm not gonna open them all up. Insight. Yeah, beautiful stuff. I have the entire line from Insight Hey, thanks so much, brother. Very cool. Can't wait till next time I get out your way. Maybe we'll get to hit the range. That might be fun. It's been forever since I've shot, like forever. I don't even know if I can do it anymore. It's been such a long time. But love your designs, and I certainly do have a great appreciation for fine weaponry. So anybody who dedicates their life to making good weapons, it's awesome. It's awesome. We'll definitely rock your brand. Okay. What we got here from Sweden? Devon, I have followed your arm wrestling journey for a long time, and I know you appreciate simplicity. Yes, I do, Michael. So really hope you will enjoy these products and they will come to good use in your training. Best regards, Michael, from the armsportstore.com. Yeah, simplicity is, it's cannot be overstated how important simplicity is in everything. All right, Michael, let's see what we got here. From Arm Sports Store, all the way over in Sweden. Swedes definitely know their arm wrestling. What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? A wrist strap for all types of arm and forearm training exercises. Let's see what we got. Nice. Good. Beautiful. Oh, look at you with your half twist. Very smart. Very well done. Very smart. Anytime you've built in a half twist, I know that the guy, it's not his first day working with this kind of a tool. Very smart. It's simple. It's such a simple thing, but even simple things you can screw up. It's got the padding where it needs to be. Not too big. Half twist, so it's perfect in your hand. Right hand. Left hand. Very nice. Well done, Michael. Well done. Little bag. And you got, oh, beautiful. Straps. Straps. Can't go wrong with straps. Bring these to the club. Can't go wrong, man. Can't go wrong with having extra straps. Let me have a look. Let me have a look at these beauties. Wonderful. Wonderful strap. Thank you, Michael. Thank you. Let's have a look at this. So far, so good, man. So far, so good. It's all stuff that the club and I will definitely use. Definitely put to good use. Oh, beautiful. Oh, man, this is perfect. Look at that. Metal buckle, 1.5 inches. Nailed it. Nailed it. Wonderful. Everything done right. Everything done right. Quality. Get bent. Get strong or get bent. Michael. Wonderful. Wonderful work. And last but not least, we have one of the most simple and beneficial tools for the sport of arm wrestling, multi-spinner. Wonderful. Yeah. Can't go wrong. Everybody who doesn't use a multi-spinner, it's definitely a big part of what you do. Actually, what Michael sent me, that's the majority of what I use. I use a belt and a multi-spinner. I use a few other things, but these are definitely my two favorite things: multi-spinners and belts. Nice product, Mike. Yeah. Sweden, you guys do it right. Maximum load 150 kilos. Well, I'm not quite there yet, so we're still good. I really appreciate you sharing that with me. We'll definitely use them. So really appreciate it. Thanks, Michael. Okay. This is from Brett Catlin in the UK. Okay. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see what we have, Brett. Oh, nice camel wrap. Nice. A little letter here. Hi, Devon. I hope this package finds you and your wonderful family well. You are truly a massive inspiration to myself, and I have been watching your videos on YouTube for several years now, and you are the main reason I was first attracted to arm wrestling. I have learned so much from your training videos, which have helped me to progress. Thank you. My passion for the sport and my desire to be creative have driven me to design bespoke arm wrestling training tools, which I make at my home here in the UK using 3D printers. Nice. I hope you will enjoy using the products, and I hope that they are sized correctly, as I have no measurements to go on. Good luck with Levon. All the best for now. From Brett Catlin in Birmingham, UK. Oh, home of the Birmingham Bullet. His website is www.arm-max.com. armmax.com. All right, Brett, let's see what these things are. And I love camo paper. Very cool. What do we got? What is this thing? What are we? Oh, okay. All right. So this is your handle. Okay. All right. So there's your handle. Okay, so this is interesting. Okay, so this doesn't need to go on that. This is just one of those high ones. Low. It's got notice it's got this offset cam here, so it gets harder as you turn it. Interesting design. Interesting design. I'll have to play with it. That's wild. Okay, that's definitely gonna put a lot on your hand and wrist for sure. What's that? Oh, good. Thanks, Avery. Hey. How do you like my glasses, Avery?
They're super cool.
Yeah, super cool, right?
Where'd you get them?
I got them. Oh, I have to remember the name. But so this looks like a right hand and a left hand setup. See how this feels? Hey?
This one?
Oh, let me see. Come here. Yes. Yeah. Good. Good. It's always interesting with these ones how everything ties together. And this version's gone with the thumb option to give stability. Definitely fits really nice. Again, I'll play with this stuff. I really appreciate it. It's always cool to get to see all the different types of tools people are training with. I feel like it's got no limits on it. This one will definitely put a lot on the hand, tying with the wrist for sure. There's a lot of stability. It's gonna be with this one. And it's got my name on there, Devon Larratt. All right, we are down to one last thing. You guys have been so generous. Oh man, it's crazy. Okay, last one. This is from Evolution Forge Workshop. And this is in Alberta. Evolution Forge. I'm very curious what I could be getting from a forge. Okay, what do we got? What are these things? A barbecue fork? Wow, that's the coolest thing. That's for barbecuing. These are incredible. This is way better than spatula. Look at that. That's awesome. AlbertaBison.ca. Oh, yes. Purely natural. Alberta Bison Ranch. Man, that is winning right there. Got some barbecue stuff. Got some beef jerky. Oh, man, I'm just winning everywhere. And another. Bam, bam, bam. Beautiful. 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 Let me read. Oh. Well, of course it's Scott. Of course it's Scott. This is my good buddy, Scott Drozzi. I didn't know that was the name of your forge, man. Oh, wow. Okay. So cool. Hi, Devon. here's the video. So just so you guys know, so Scott Drosy and I, we did our battle school together. So that's what you do, like when you enter into the Canadian Armed Forces as an infantry. So when you go into infantry, so you join the Canadian Armed Forces. At least this is how it was, like 25 years ago. You enter in, you do your basic training, which is for everybody in the forces, and then from there you go to your trade. And so Scott and I were going to the infantry. So we did our infantry basic training together, and we got all sorts of stories from there. Anyways, he's got a kid. Well, he's got a couple kids, but there's one kid I just arm wrestled him out in Alberta, Mason, and he's incredible. The kid is like, blew me away. This guy, his endurance, it's ridiculous. He's ridiculous. Like, arm wrestled him for like, I feel like it was like 10 minutes straight each arm, and he didn't give up, and he didn't even really fade. Okay, so here's a video of our battle school grad. Okay, I'll probably upload this. I think there is some good shots of you in there. Maybe it will be of some use for your documentary. Enjoy. The handle is what I was telling you about. Okay, it's my own design, and I think it's excellent for arm wrestling specific shape. Try it out and let me know what you think. There's also some barbecue tools that I made in my shop from rail spikes, and some Alberta raised buffalo jerky from my good friend and neighbor at Alberta Bison Ranch. Say hi to your family for us, and congratulations for when you beat Lavon. And there's probably a chip in there, which I'm going to play with after this. Guys, thank you so much. You're also generous. It touches me deeply that you guys reach out and send me this stuff. Truly blessed. Appreciate all of you. Hope you guys have a great day, great weekend, and you find success in all things in life. Stay massive, everybody.